light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright. I'm like, let him use you. Yes, I'm never going back to my regular church. I'm never going back. This is where I belong. Hallelujah. So yeah, I was gonna get them. Can y'all imagine the sermon in alternative church? Okay, see how much time I got. I might not be able to give y'all this word real quick. But if y'all want to hear this word, say,